Hello, hello, guess who? You already know. Song of the day is Never Far. We are never far. You know that song? If you don't know it, let me put you on. Frequency by Janae Aiko. I'm gonna put it on the screen right here. I just sang it to myself in the bathroom because it's such a hopeful, like, spiritual song, and I really love that album as a whole. Like, the album is beautiful. Chef's kiss. Love you, Janae. But that's my song of the day. What's yours? Anything new that you're listening to? How are we feeling? To pick your brain today. I want you to think about, I know this is gonna be tough, to think about whatever's been stressing you out the most. I mean the mostest. Whatever's been stressing you out, and I want you to talk about it out loud, journal about it, speak about it. You don't have to speak about it with anyone else. You could comment about it vaguely, but I want you to release it in a sense of writing about it from the perspective of it's already resolved. Whatever you're stressed about, it's already resolved. So you're like, thank God I finally got rid of that ugly sweater. Like, I've been staring at it for so long, and somebody asked me if they could have it because they really liked it, so I just gave it to them. I said, whew, and I feel so much better. I want you to tap into that feeling of the stress is removed, the worry is gone, and speak about it, write about it, as if it's already resolved. Because we know how things are. There's something that we were stressed about last year that got resolved. 2 days ago that got resolved. Like, that's how life happens. So we're gonna practice that today. And moving forward, digging into some affirmations. Okay. Just want to express a little gratitude. Today, I feel good about what I'm doing and where I'm at in life currently. My happiness is no longer tied to my accomplishments or what I do. In everything I do, I notice how I feel. And I listen to the signs and the signals that my body is sending me. Whenever my intuition makes me feel a way, I trust it. And I follow it. Even when it may not make the most sense, yet it feels great. I am so grateful to be where I'm at right now. I'm blessed to have a life with such fullness and joy. Every day I am doing little things that will benefit me in such a big way. And I'm noticing changes in my day-to-day as I pour more time and energy into myself. I am doing the things that I say I'm going to do. I am trusting the process. I am trusting myself and my vision. I know that with anything I want, all I have to do is ask. And extend gratitude before, during, and after it comes. Today, I am so blessed. And I have the means to bless someone else. I do not shy away from expressing gratitude. Gratitude is a staple part of my diet. Every day I'm finding new ways to connect with myself, to give myself the grace and the space to grow and learn more about myself. I am open to hearing about myself. Even when it doesn't feel the best. I am allowing myself to be free. To release anything that is in my way, holding me back, or heavy on my heart. We're gonna say that one again. Today, I release myself to be free. I set my spirit free. To release anything that is weighing me down, holding me back, or making my heart feel heavy. I am grateful for the light that shines within me. And every day I am twisting that light bulb so that light can shine brighter and brighter. I am restoring myself, restoring my energy. And here and now in this moment, I call all of my energy back to me. I call all of my energy back to me to fill my cup. Let my cup overflow with joy, with happiness, with abundance. I am allowing myself to fully embrace who I am, unapologetically. I am allowing myself to explore and make mistakes and learn. I am tapping into my inner child, allowing myself to create freely and feel at peace. Each day, I am expanding my horizons, expanding my possibilities. Doors are opening for me. There are opportunities with my name written on them, showing up for me right now. I am so grateful for all of the opportunities that have come my way. I am so grateful for the opportunities that have presented themselves here and now in this season of my life. I am so grateful to be accepted for who I am, flaws and all. Today I am comfortable existing freely as who I am. I have no limits nor bounds. I understand my potential, and I add tax. I am so happy and filled with joy to be doing what I'm doing, loving and being loved, and sharing light. I'm so happy that I get to give back and show up for those who need extra light. And this season, I am offering myself peace and prosperity as it continually shows up in my life. I invite ease and abundance into my life. And I say thank you to my God and my Creator for all of the blessings that I have been receiving and will receive. Thank you guys so much for showing up with me today. I am so glad that we took this time. I think I said so much. I'm so glad that we took this time. I'm going to try to get this video uploaded. Oh my god, I'm thinking too fast. Uploaded as soon as possible. But until tomorrow, kisses. Take care of yourself, okay?